Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some baseball necklaces here. So if you have a baseball team, like which we have a relative in the what's it called, Miracle League Network, and so they are playing baseball. It's baseball season right now. So at the end of the season, everybody can get their little medal. So it comes with this is what it looks like here, and they are nice and metal. And it comes with I think there's like 20 of them in here. It's a big pack of them, and they are definitely little metal pieces here with the strings on them as well. And it's a huge pack here. So let's see. Oh, 24/48 pieces of word medals. So this is it here. Great. This one here is the baseball one. They also had, I saw they had soccer. They had other sports as well. Just happens to be baseball season right now here. So actually, they just rotate. They go back baseball, basketball, everything. So these are really cool. And it comes with the little patriotic-ish kind of strap on it as well with the awards, red, white, and blue. And so this is it here. It comes in a nice little box with everything. So if you're looking for some baseball awards for team, this one here is going to be great because it's going to get everybody one and good to go. Thumbs up for sure.